friends, welcome to BSR Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain about problems on oxidation and reduction. So if we see what is oxidation, here what is oxidation? Oxidation means addition of oxygen is called oxidation. And what is reduction? Reduction means removal of oxygen is known as reduction, which means, so here there is a reaction 2Hg plus O2, 2 hydrogens plus O2, which gives 2HGO. Okay, after reaction 2HGO it forms, which means the here mercury is oxidized. So here it forms mercuric oxide. So this mercury is oxidized. Okay. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation. Here after oxidation, before reaction, here the oxidation number of this mercury is some X. Okay. After oxidation it becomes 2X. Okay. So oxidation means addition of oxygen, reduction means removal of oxygen. Reduction means removal of oxygen. Okay, removal of oxygen. So this is our oxidation and reduction topic. So if you see first question, the oxidation number of hydrogen in CaH2. CaH2 means calcium hydride. So here CaH2. Here we have to find the oxidation number of hydrogen. So we don't know. So I am taking here X. X into 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So here the calcium atom has 2 plus. In this calcium atom has residual charge of Ca2 plus, which means 2. Here one atom is there. So 2 into 1. So 2 plus 2. This is not minus 2. Plus 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 2 plus x into 2 2x equals to 0. We have to add these oxidation numbers and we have to equate with 0. So here 2x, if we transfer this to this, so it becomes minus 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 ones are. So here the oxidation number is x equals to minus 1. So the oxidation number of hydrogen is minus 1. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. So this is first question. And the second question, sulfur has highest oxidation number in following compounds. Here they are asking to find in which of these 4 options compounds is there, and we have to find highest oxidation number of sulfur. So if we see option wise, option A. Here in this option A, I am taking sulfur as X, and oxidation number of one oxygen is minus 2. So 2 atoms are there. So minus 2 into 2. Okay. So minus 2 into 2 means minus 4. And we have to add these 2 oxidation numbers. So that equates to X plus into minus 4 equals to 0. We have to equate with 0. So x minus 4 equals to 0, and here x equals to 4. So in this sulfur has 4. Option A has oxidation number of 4 sulfur. And if we see option 2, here I am taking sulfur X and oxygen. One oxygen is minus 2. So here 3 oxygens are there. So minus 2 into 3. it become -6. So we have to add these two oxidation numbers. So x plus into -6 equals to 0. We have to equate with 0. So x minus 6 equals to 0 and here x equals to 6. So the sulfur oxidation number is 6 in this compound. Okay. So here hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen is there. So here one hydrogen, here oxidation number of one hydrogen is +1 in peroxides. So in here sulfur oxide is there. So we have to take -1. So -1 into 2. Okay. So that sum is -2. Hydrogen is -2 and sulfur is x. I am taking x. So oxygen is 4. 4 oxygens is there. So 1 oxygen -2. So O is equals to -2 into 4. So which become -8. We have to add these oxidation numbers. So -2 plus x -8 equals to 0. Okay. So x minus 10 equals to 0. So x equals to 10. So here sulfur has 10 oxidation number is 10. Okay. And here H2S. H2S means for one hydrogen -1. So -2 into 2 plus x equals to 0. So here, sorry, -1. So -2 plus x equals to 0. So x equals to 2. Okay. So among all these options, here 4 is there, here 6 is there, here 10 is there, here 2 is there. So the highest in this is option C, 10. Oxidation of sulfur is 10. Okay. So this is second question. And the third question, oxidation number for oxygen in KO2. Here KO2 means potassium dioxide. KO2. Potassium dioxide, KO2. So here for one potassium oxidation number is K plus, which means oxidation number is +1. Okay. Here K plus 1, which means oxidation number is +1. Because the residual charge present on the atom, so that is a oxidation number. And here we have to find oxygen. So O2. 2 means we have to take x. We don't know. So x into 2 atoms is there. 2. So 2x. Okay. So we have to add these two. So 2x plus 1 equals to 0. We have to equate with 0. So 2x equals to -1. And transpose this one to this side. And here x equals to -1/2. Okay. Here the x equals to -1/2 means oxidation number of O2 is -1/2. Okay. So here option A is the correct answer. The fourth question, oxidation state for nitrogen in NH4NO3. Here NH4NO3 means ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. Here this is a chemical formula. Okay. So here NH4, in NH4NO3 there are 2 nitrogens. So very commonly we do like this. So 2 nitrogens are there. So x into 2 atoms are there. So 2x plus hydrogen 4 are there. So 4 into 1 plus oxygens 3 are there. So -2 into 3. So some commonly do like this process. So this this is wrong. Okay, so this is wrong. So like this we should not do. Okay. So the main process for this question is, here first we have to split this compound like this, NH4 plus and NO3 minus. Here these two are two ions. Okay, so we have to find separately for oxidation number for nitrogen. Okay, so here I am finding for NH4 plus. So here nitrogen I am taking X. So one atom is there, X into 1 plus hydrogen 1. So 4 atoms are there, 4 equals to, I have to equate this sum of oxidation numbers is 1, because here NH4 plus means plus 1 is the charge. So we have to equate with plus 1. So in another compounds there is no charge. So we have to take as 0. Okay. So here X plus 4 equals to 1. X equals to 1 minus 4. So X equals to minus 3. Okay. So in this first compound, the nitrogen oxidation number is minus 3. Okay. And next compound, I am rubbing this. NO3 minus. So in this, I am taking nitrogen as X. So one atom is there, X into 1 plus oxidation number is minus 2 into 3 atoms are there into 3 equals to minus 1. Here the residual charge is minus 1. So we have to equate with minus 1. So X plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 equals to minus 1. So here X equals to minus 1 plus 6. If we transpose this 6 towards this, it becomes plus 6. So here X equals to 5. X equals to 5 plus 5. So in this, plus 5 is the oxidation number for nitrogen. So these are the two nitrogen oxidation numbers. Okay. So here option A is the correct answer. The oxidation number for manganese in K2MnO4. So here this is potassium manganate. Okay. So here in this K2MnO4, we have to find the oxidation number of Mn. So here for one potassium atom, oxidation number is 1. So there are 2 atoms, 1 into 2 plus, I am taking Mn as X, so we don't know. So X plus, here for one oxygen minus 2, so minus 2 into 4 equals to 0. We have to equate with 0 because there is no charge on this particle. Sorry, this compound. So here 1 into 2, 2 plus X plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8. So here plus will changes to minus. So minus 8 equals to 0. So 2 minus 8, X minus 6. 2 minus 8 means 6. So 0. So X equals to, if I transpose to this side, so X becomes 6. It becomes positive value. So here the oxidation number for Mn is positive 6. Okay. So here option C is the correct answer. Okay. And the 6th question. Oxidation number for chlorine in NaClO4. So in this compound NaClO4, I am taking Na as plus 1 because the oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. Because the residual charge present on the atom is plus 1. So the oxidation number is plus 1 and chlorine is X and the oxygen is, for one oxygen minus 2, 4 oxygens are there, so into 4, so it becomes minus 8. Okay, so we have to add all these three. So plus 1 plus x minus 8 equals to 0. We have to equate with 0. So 1 minus 8 minus 7 equals to 0. And if I transfer minus 7 to this side, so it becomes x equals to 7. Okay, so the oxidation number of chlorine in this compound is 7. Plus 7. Okay, here plus 7. So if you see 7th question, oxidation number for iron in Fe3O4. So here Fe3O4. Here I am taking iron as x. So 3 atoms are there, x into 3, which is 3x. Okay. So here for 1 oxygen minus 2, 4 oxygens are there. So minus 2 into 4 become minus 8. Okay. So if we add all these 3x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. So 3x equals to 8 because if I transfer to this side, this term plus 8. So x equals to 8 by 3. Okay. So here the oxidation number of iron in this compound is 8 by 3. Okay. So this is the 7th question. And the 8th question. Identify correct statements. Here we have to identify correct statements. So if in the first statement, oxidation number of oxygen in BaO2 is minus 2. So if we find oxidation number BaO2 means I am taking Ba has residual charge of 2, Ba plus 2. Okay. So here 2, 1 atom is there. So 2 into 1, 2 plus we don't know the oxidation number of oxygen. So I am taking x. So 2 atoms are there, 2x equals to 0. Okay. So if I transfer this 2 to this, so it becomes 2x equals to minus 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here x is minus 2. Sorry, minus 1. X is minus 1. So x is minus 1 means here they give oxidation number is minus 2. So definitely this statement is false. Okay. And the next statement, ON of, here ON means oxidation number. See here, ON means oxidation number. So ON of hydrogen in LiH2 is minus 1. Here we should not do problem because this is the one of the point. Here when metal hydride is there, we have to keep the oxidation number of hydrogen is minus 1 directly. We should not do sum. So option B is correct. So oxidation number of oxygen in KO2 is minus 2. We already know this is wrong because here the oxidation number of in this is minus half. We did in second example. Okay. So this C statement is wrong. So oxidation number of chlorine is HOCl. So HOCl means hydrogen plus 1. So plus oxygen minus 2 plus x equals to 0. Okay. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. So minus 1 plus x equals to 0. So here x equals to 1. So the chlorine is plus 1. So option D is the correct. Here why we get two statements? Because this is multi-answer type questions. Okay. So this is 8th question. And the ninth question. So if you see 9th question, in which of the following compounds, the oxidation number is 6 plus 6. Oxidation number is plus 6. So if we find option wise, option A, here Na plus, the residual charge of sodium is Na plus. Okay, so the oxidation number is plus 1. So 2 atoms are there, 2. 1 into 2, 2. Plus sulfur we have to find underlined element. So plus X plus here for 1 oxygen minus 2. So 4 oxygens are there, minus 2 into 4. So minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. So here 2 minus 8, which means minus 6. So x minus 6 equals to 0. So it becomes x equals to 6. So the first statement is correct. First compound is correct because they asked plus 6. Oxidation number plus 6. So first option is correct. And second option, option B, K2Cr2O7. Here for 1 potassium plus 1 and 2 potassiums 2 plus, we have to find chromium and 2 atoms are there. So I am taking 2x plus into, for 1 oxygen minus 2, 7 oxygens are there. So minus 2 into 7, minus 14. Okay. So is equals to 0. We have to equate with 0. So 2 minus 14 means minus 12. So 2x minus 12 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 12. So here x is 6. So x is 6 means B option also correct. Okay. So option C. Option C, K2Cr2O4. Here K2Cr2O4 means same question but oxygens are different. See? Okay. So we have to find, for K2 means 2 oxidation number. So 2 plus 2 chromium atoms are there, 2x. So 2x. For 1 oxygen minus 2. So minus into 8, minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. So 2 minus 8 means minus 6. So 2x minus 6 equals to 0. So 2x equals to 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So the oxidation number here is, the oxidation number of chromium is x equals to 3. This is x. Okay, x equals to 6. So here we have to find plus 6 only, not plus 3 other numbers. So the option C is wrong. Okay. So here K2MnO4, fourth option. Option D, K2MnO4. Here for 2 potassiums, 2 is the oxidation number. So 2 plus, we have to find manganese. So 2x plus, for 4 oxygens are there. So minus 8. Okay, so is equals to 0. So 2 minus 8, minus 6. So x minus 6 equals to 0, which means x equals to 6. If I transfer this minus 6 to this, so here the oxidation number of manganese is plus 6. Okay, so here option D is the correct answer. Okay, so this is 9th question. And our today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ ఆన్ ది కమెంట్ బాక్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.